Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to be doing a quick review on Yoast AI Optimizer. Now, what does it do? It applies AI power suggestions for your meta descriptions and content at the click of a button. The features save you time and proactively optimize your content for search engines, such as the Yoast AI Optimize. Now, it has so much. You can apply it to your best practice at the click of a button. It helps you to generate, that is using the Yoast AI generate. We have Yoast AI Optimizer. For Yoast AI generate, it helps to circumnavigate brain freeze with ease. Designed specifically for ideation, this feature generates multiple titles and meta descriptions for which you can choose. If you don't like them, no words, you can generate more or apply and tweak. So it is available for Yoast SEO Premium for WordPress. What are the benefits of this? AI-powered suggested edits for your posts and pages, flexible results, easy dismiss or apply options, ensuring the human element is not lost, easy to use, seamless integration into Yoast SEO Premium, optimize the assessments, the Yoast SEO analysis, key phrase introduction, key phrase distribution, key phrase density, sentence length, and paragraph length. We can explain more benefits here. So we also have the Yoast AI Generate, like we said earlier on. All the following are all available when you have the Yoast SEO Premium or Yoast SEO for Shopify. You get SEO optimized titles and descriptions, share worthy social titles and descriptions, product metadata at a click. But the benefits, highly relevant, multiple options for titles and meta description. If you don't like them, simply just click generate more options. Customizable output. You can use the AI generated features to get you started and tweak it to suit your needs. Easy to use, seamless integration into your SEO Premium. Review how your generated titles and meta description appear in the organic search results, and continuously update guidance to ensure you always have they have continuously updated guidance to ensure you always have the most up-to-date advice. So these are great part of Yoast. You want to get free SEO tips, simply enter your email address and click on yes, give me free tips. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.